Well, in case you haven't heard, there are some huge sales happening right now across so many major retailers.
Yes, and lucky for us, Dawn McCarthy is joining us to share some of her top products that are great finds this fall. Dawn, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me. And it's also Amazon Prime Day, so a lot of these products are also on Amazon that you'll have to check out.
Okay, absolutely. Well, first things first, what should we dive into?
Yeah, so this is Stardust.Earth. So this is a jute bag. So this is what you need this fall and anytime you go shopping. So 2 of these bags actually replace 7 plastic bags.
Oh, wow.
So they're really big. They've got a great soft handle. It folds really small into your purse. And these ones are customized to California. They have a happy holidays. And look at yours, Jess. Yours is a little different, too, for the California. They do different states like Colorado, all different things for wherever it is you're shopping. But they're biodegradable. And I really encourage you to go to this guy's website. They will, in 9 weeks, he actually buries the bags.
Wow.
And you can see how it biodegrades into the earth. So keep it earth-friendly here in San Francisco. Again, you only need 2 of them. With the weather being a lot cooler, you're definitely going to want not 7 bags trying to carry them into your house and lug them in. So these are just really fun, and they're great, too, for the holidays to pack gifts in if you're traveling or going somewhere.
This would be a cute gift bag as well.
Yeah, you can put anything in it. It's just really big, and it's really, really comfortable. And like I said, I love that it's so earth-friendly.
Absolutely.
Yes. Okay, so we've got the bag. Now we have the groceries to put in the bag.
Yeah. So this is TEJAVA. So this is really true to the taste tea. There's absolutely, these are kind of my go-to. I'm a tea girl. And actually happening here in San Francisco on November 2nd and 3rd is the International Tea Festival. TEJAVA will be there actually pouring their tea, but they have Gabrielle Jamal there, who is like their special guest, who's a sommelier of tea.
Oh, wow.
I didn't even know there was such a thing as a sommelier for tea. And it's right here at the Ferry Building, so I guess it's really, really close to here. But again, I really, really love their tea. I'm a tea girl. This is their original, but they have different flavors out front there. And again, it's just ready to drink. It's unsweetened. You've got 0 sugar, 0 preservatives, no calories, easy on the go. Again, you can have the glass. They've got plastic. They've got big. But I love that they're going to be right here in San Francisco. But I learned, too, that they have a sommelier of tea. I thought it was only for wine.
Wow,
yeah.
so cool.
Who knew? That makes sense because tea can get very complex and all the different flavors. So I love that. That's going to be a fun event to check out. Something I also love is sleeping on a cozy pillow. Tell me about that.
So here they have now. So I love Blissy. Blissy's 100% mulberry silk. We've known about them forever. Definitely check them out. This is better for your hair, your skin, less wrinkles. But they, for the fall, came out with why I brought them back in, is beautiful colors. And they're showing it right there. And here's this pillowcase. So you can see how, Jess, you look fabulous.
I'm ready for a nap.
Jess is ready for a nap. But again,
so soft.
It helps with less wrinkles. But look at these colors. They've got a purple. They've got an olive. Because I don't know about you ladies, but I change out my bedding in the fall to kind of give it more of a fall theme. So they've got creams, the olives, the blues, the purple. Your men should be sleeping on these as well, ladies.
Good for their skin, too.
It's good for their skin. I absolutely love it. They have over 100,000 5-star reviews. Again, they're hypoallergenic, antibacterial, and for all that good beauty products that you guys all love, this isn't going to like soak in like a cotton pillowcase will. So this is definitely an easy go-to. And that purple looked great on you, Jess. I think you need that.
So pretty. I love this.
I love it too. These are fun colors for fall. My husband used to always steal my pillow, and so I finally ended up just getting him his own pillows that are this beautiful silk. I love this. It's so comfortable to sleep on.
Absolutely. I do too.
Nice.
Well, now also you went away like I did during the summer. You were in Europe, and what is the biggest thing that you have to have when you're there?
A shawl.
A shawl and a scarf to get into any of the mosques, the temples, any of the churches, whatever you're going into. But the fall, this is my go-to on the airplane. I want you to open this up, and what I love about Yuzi, they have 4 different patterns. This isn't just a solid color. If you'll even open that one up, you'll see that it's 2-sided. So it's got a blue on the, so you kind of get 2 for 1. They're great to put over. You can tie them. You can cover your head, remember? You have to cover your shoulder. They're gorgeous patterns. They're ultra soft pashmina. I absolutely love them.
Jess, how did you know how to do that? I don't know.
We're going to work on, Rachel. You can put them on help. But you can wear them on your head. You can tie them in front. There's endless ways. Yuzi is a go-to. They're having a ton of different products. They're one of my accessories favorite. If you don't know about them, check them out at Yuzi because they have sunglasses. They have all kinds of stuff. But these are great gifts as well as we go into the holidays. You need these on the airplanes. You need to keep one in your car. You need to keep when they have beautiful patterns, or like I said, solars. I really love the purple myself, but the yellow, they've got great fall colors to go into.
And these feel incredible. I just want to say, like, I could just cozy up with this. Give me the pillowcase, give me this, and I'm like really ready for the nap.
But you need these even here on set because people don't realize these studios are ultra cold too. So a lot of times you need these in the morning. So we'll have to give you guys those to make sure that you stay nice and cozy.
Thank you.
And then lastly, this is Martinelli's. So this is their 1868 hard cider. So I didn't even realize this. When Martinelli's first started, they actually started with a hard alcohol back in the Prohibition and stuff like that. So I'm going to have you finish pouring this one off.
Okay.
This is their mango flavor. They have a hard cider. I'm going to give you this one right here. This is their hard cider. And I have their Imperial right here. So they have different flavors. Look at you.
This isn't new for you.
I'm just cracking a can.
And these are available right now. So you guys are actually seeing this groundbreaking. No one has seen this yet. It's being launched right now in October.
Wow.
You have to go to their actual Instagram to even check them out. 1868 hard cider. And again, you can get these at Whole Foods. I guess you got them at Rally's, New Leaf, or Nugget stores. And again, just those for... Oh, you got it.
Yeah.
She's like,
I can taste it.
Yeah.
Ooh, Rachel loves a cider.
See, and it's 100% U.S. grown apples. They're here. They've been around for over 156 years. So I absolutely love them. But I had no idea. So they've just brought this back. They had it back in the day, and they've just brought it back for the fall. And no one, like I said, you guys are seeing it here first on Live in the Bay. It's just hitting stores right now.
Cheers to that. That's delicious.
Thanks, Dawn. So cool.
These are all so fun. Thank you so much for all of these.
Good, good. I'm glad we're going to keep you warm and toasty, and we even got an event for you to check out for tea lovers.
Can't wait. Thank you so much, Dawn. That was wonderful. So many good ideas for gifts, Jess.
Absolutely.
We need all the ideas. All right, to learn more about any of these products from Dawn, we'll have a link on our website. That is liveinthebay.tv.